Hello, it is time to plant some gourds. It is Cinco de Mayo and I'm going to plant some gourds around this teepee trellis over here. And it's sort of dripping rain a little bit, but I got out here ready to do it, so unless it starts pouring, I'm going to do it. It's actually a little late to get started on this, so. Alright, here we go. I have a teepee trellis here that I've grown green beans on other years, but I'm going to plant these gourd seeds around the base here. I got this pack from Pine Tree Garden Seeds. It is a gourd mix. It's a variety of different gourds. And they recommended to make some nicks in the seeds and to put them in water overnight. So that's what I did. I just took a metal file and filed a little tiny nick in them so that the water could get in. And they actually swelled a bit overnight. So that should make them sprout nice and fast. Alright, so we're going to go around here. Maybe pull some of these weeds back a little bit. I've been putting wood chips and lawnmower scraps and stuff on top of this bed for a while, so it should have a nice area under it that will stay fairly moist. So it's said to plant the seeds 1 inch deep, so that's what we'll do. Go down here about an inch. Let me get the camera on what I'm doing. And we'll pop a seed or two in every hole. And I will have to put some more wires or string or something down here to have these things climb on when they sprout. So stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe and hit the bell so you get updated whenever I put out some new content. So you'll be able to stay updated and see how these gourds do through the summer. Alrighty, let me put a couple seeds over here. Be interesting to see what comes up from these. Here's some comfrey, which I planted around here to give some fertilization for this bed as well. We could actually use a little bit more rain than we got the last couple days. It's amazing how quick our soil around here dries out. Thought this would be a fun project to do with my grandsons, but they did not want to come out of the house today. They're busy playing. That's okay. It's fun to see them get together and play. Okay. Now we're going to go right on the other side of this comfrey. I have to make sure that this stays wet until these seeds are up pretty well too. Here's a spot, looks like some nicer soil. At least it's not the hard clay. These seeds are slippery. Hard to grab. Here we go. Don't want to get these seeds too deep. An inch is pretty deep. Plant little seeds, but these things will really sprout up like a cucumber. They have a nice long sprouting stem on them. Oh, that worm. That's a big plant. I'm gonna have to dig that out. It's starting to rain more. It almost said it stopped, but obviously it did not. Well, that should get these seeds growing, right? Hopefully they'll get enough light to do something in this corner of the yard. Go around the other side. Got a couple more seeds here that don't really look that great, but I will go ahead and put them in the ground, see if they come up. Alright, so that's it. Alright, it is starting to rain now. Alright, so we got them planted. Again, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure that you click the bell to get notified. Alright, we will see you soon. Have a blessed day.